Good morning, everyone. My name is K. Likta Reddy. I am studying in 6th class. This is my friend Pranati. Today we are telling about Telugu activity Lingashtakam. Brahma Murari Shurachita Lingam Nirmala Bhashita Shobhita Lingam Janmaja Dukkha Vinashaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Devamuni Pravarachita Lingam Kamadahana Karunapara Ravana Darpa Vinashaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Sarvasugandhi Sulepita Lingam Buddhi Vivardhana Karana Lingam Siddhya Surasura Vandita Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Kanaka Mahamani Bhushita Lingam Panipati Veshita Shobhita Lingam Daksha Suyagna Vinashaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Kumkuma Chandana Lepita Lingam Pankajahara Sushobhita Lingam Sanchita Papa Vinashaka Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Devaganachita Sevita Lingam Bhave Bhakti Virevacha Lingam Dinakara Koti Prabhakara Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Ashtadalo Pariveshtita Lingam Sarva Sogandhava Karana Lingam Ashtadaritra Vinashana Lingam Tat Pranamami Sada Shivalingam Surabura Suravara